Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the code implementation of circular linked list. Okay, so I have created the node class here, which contains the data and the address to the next node to which it point. Now coming to the circular linked list implementation, it contains three variables. One is the head, the other one is the tail, and the maximum size. So maximum element. So it will tell me about the max element it can have. Max element it can have. Si is the element at that point. Okay, so this is the constructor that I have created for the initialization of my circuit linked list, which takes the parameter as the max element. Now let us come to the implementation of insert. So insert is the function that only trying to insert an element, so it return time should be void. So insert ll, and it should contain a data. So I'm going to insert that element, that variable data. So firstly what I will do is that I will create a node, which is my new node, is equal to the node star new node, and it contains the data. So it will create the node. Now I have in the previous video I have discussed that there are three cases. So if the first case is that if my head equal to null, and tail equal to null, this means that I am going to insert my first element. So what should be happen is that my head should be equal to new node, tail should be equal to new node, and tails next should be equal to head. Okay, and size plus plus else. Now coming to the second case, this is the case where max size is not hit, so my si is less than the max element. Now in this case I have to just insert the element at the tail, and I have to update my tail. Okay, so my tails next will be equal to new node, and tail will be equal to my new node, or I can also write here is tail equal to tails next, and after that uh yep yeah after that my head is there, my tail is here. Now tail equal to tail next, and I have to one more time tail next equal to my head, and also psi plus plus here, psi plus plus else is the case where my max size is hit it. So what I have to do that I have to first I have created my node and my max size is hit it. So now I have to insert the element and delete my head also. So firstly what I will do is that I will point my tail next equal to my new node. Okay, Now next will be equal to head next will be equal to my new node x. New node next will be equal to my head next. Okay, now I have completed my but I have to also delete t is equal to head. Now I have completed my psych. I have deleted this will delete. Okay, now I have to delete and also update tail equal to tails next and head equal to head. Okay, okay. So before deleting it, my tails next equal to new node. I have deleted my node here. Now my new head will be my head next. So new node next will be equal to head next and head equal to head next. Okay, and I can simply delete the t's. And here I don't need it to increase my size because my size is already hitted my max. Okay. Now also I can have one more function to print. Okay, so okay, so I can have my node start t is equal to the head while t not equal to tail cout t's data. Where I can say cout intel. Okay, so this completes my insert. So at my main I can go and create one circular linked list L1 which have a maximum size of 5 for int I equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus L1 dot insert LL of I. Okay, and L1 dot printf function. Okay, so so it should print the elements that are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have created my data. Okay, if head equal to new node and tail also equal to new node, tails next equal to head. Okay, now tail and head are not null. Okay, now tails next will be equal to my new node. Okay, I can also do one thing here. Cout L1 dot side. It's saying that there is a 5 element. Okay, so there here is the problem. T equal to t is next. Okay. Okay, so it is printing 5, 6, 7, 8, and okay, this is only printing the four elements. So at the head it is not printing, so I can also print t dot data and space. Okay, so five elements get printed here. Okay, so firstly I have inserted 1 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So after inserting the four elements, my maximum size get hidden. So I have to delete firstly one. Firstly, I have to delete 0 and insert 5. So 5 will be inserted, and after that I have to delete 6, 1, and then enter 6. Okay, so 6 will be go, 7 will be go, 8 will be go, then 9 will be go. So this is the case for the insert. Now this is the function for insert. Now let's come to the function of delete. So it should be int or I take it bool type. Remove L. Okay. Now it has to remove one data, but if the size is 0, I cannot remove any data, so I can simply return false from here. This is the first case. Else what I have to do is that I have to delete one data. So I am deleting at the I am deleting at the head. No, I take I'm deleting at the head. Delete at head. Okay. Now I have to delete the data. So firstly I will take the node t is equal to head. Okay. Now my head will be equal to the head next, and also there should be a one check that if my head next is equal to null, and I cannot able to delete the data. If my head next is null means I have only one data, then my head will be equal to my tail. So my head will be equal to null, and tail also will be equal to null, and I can return true from here. Okay. Else if my head is next is present, then I can simply update my head equal to head next. Okay. Yep. And also here I have to do psi minus minus head equal to head next, and here also psi minus minus. Okay, my head will be equal to head next, and also there is one thing is missing, that I have to delete the t. So delete t. Okay. Okay, so this is the function to remove the ll. So remove ll dot ll. Okay, so it si should be shown 5. Okay, so there is no return. Okay. Now one more time, if I use the print here, so there will be one data less, L1 dot printf. Okay, so this is the implementation of a circular linked list, and also this is the code implementation. Thanks for watching. Yeah.